What's up, everybody? So today, Yasmin's making us a buffet at Disneyland. I'm just kidding, right? Goofy's Kitchen. And one of my favorite places to come to. Peanut butter jelly pizza, immaculate.
It's my first time at Goofy's Kitchen.
Yeah. And we about to pig out. So for drinks, starting off, she didn't want no alcoholic beverages, so we're gonna be drinking some OJ. And then we're gonna be drinking some water, you know, because we skinny legends or whatever, you feel me? Anyways, we're gonna go to the food world, I'll show you guys what we have, because this shit gonna be bussin'. Look at all the freaking food that we got. I'm trying to speak up, I'm sorry. We got pizza, omelet, croissant, bacon, sausage.
French toast. French toast.
French what?
French toast.
Some eggs, some papas, some sausage, some bacon. It's about to go crazy up in Goofy's Kitchen. So we finished our first, well, I finished my first plate. Yasmin's still on her first plate.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this hole right here.
No, don't go around. Oh, we can't put this in the video. So we took a picture. We look so cute. It's giving besties. I'll just insert it. Here's the other picture.
Oh yeah, great picture. Oh, there you go, there you go.
I'll insert it later. Listen, I love Minnie Mouse, but Daisy's my favorite.
You know, Pluto just came by. Pluto was cool. He made me sous chef or whatever. And then he asked her about being a chef, but she can't cook, so she's not gonna do nothing.
That's not true.
And then Dale came by, and Dale's over here trying to freaking back up on Yasmin. I was like, hey Dale, I was like, hey, this is a kid's place. Chill out, my boy. And then, you know, him and I became friends after a while, and we took some pictures. You'll probably see him somewhere in here, maybe. If I don't know, she's a lazy editor, so who knows. Hey, we gotta go get our second serving, so watch out for that. Come back here. I want it.
So, as you can tell, Johnny's been talking majority of this vlog because, quite frankly, I was kind of too lazy.
She's not a personality.
I guess I don't have personality. I got a little salad because I'm full. I can't eat any more bread, you know?
That's the star of the show today. That is the star of the show.
Speak up, I don't have a mic.
That is the star of the show today. That is the star of the show. Do you agree?
Hey guys, so we just got out of Goofy's Kitchen and we actually do have reservations for the park today. So we'll be heading there now via monorail. Any second now. Why don't you just talk normally? Oh my god.
Dinosaurs Island. We're gonna explore. Let's go find Bigfoot. Come on. You ready to find Bigfoot?
Bigfoot doesn't exist. Guys, he's crazy and he's like a huge conspiracy theorist, and you know, he's just kind of like mentally ill.
So you're saying I didn't find Bigfoot in GTA?
That's a video game. He's talking about in real life.
In both lives?
No. Bigfoot doesn't exist. The Yeti does exist, but he's hibernating right now. Matterhorn's closed.
Alright, we're gonna go find Bigfoot. You guys ready? Let's go find fucking Bigfoot. Let's go find Bigfoot. What's in here? We're going in the wilderness. Oh fuck no. No.
We're going into a cave.
Fuck no.
You're such a wuss. Go. Keep going. Keep going.
Look in there. Look in there. Why are you scared? Just
I feel like the Goonies right now. Guys, if you want to live your Goonies life, come to Tom Sawyer's Island.
There you go!
That was a good one.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. That was perfect. MTV Cribs. Welcome to my crib, guys. This is my cave. I do bat-like things in here.
Bat-like things?
Bat-like things.
Yeah.
I sleep hanging from right here.
No, it's my cave. What the hell out of here? I'm scared now.
Jump scare, what the hell? What the hell? What the freak?
You look in there.
No.
Why not?
This is where it pops out at you.
You scared, mate? You scared to look in there?
Something fierce. Yeah, like for it.
Oh my. You go there by yourself, man.
Owns the company and a bidding.
I'm locked up, they won't let me out. Won't let me out, no. Oh, civilization. Here we are.
Hey guys, so we're just chilling here at Tom Sawyer Island. He, being the fake Disney fan that he is, has never had a mint julep before.
Her being the fake Disney.
He's never had a mint julep before. Ugh, he licked my hand.
Being the fake Disney fan she is, has never been in Goofy's kitchen.
But at least, but that's outside the park, you know, that's like okay. But you are in Disneyland and you've never had a mint julep.
No.
What is wrong with you? So we're gonna go order one right now. I haven't had a mint julep in like 5 years, I think.
So they must not be that good then if you're not trying to get them.
Well, tontito.
Oh,
the last like 3 years, I haven't been coming to Disneyland, one, and then I was coming when I did have my AP. You know what, should I just kill him right here? Should I just kill him and get it over with? As I was saying, I just wasn't having them. I don't know why, they're really good.
Ready? I want to do this outro. Wait, transition in.
Mint julep taste test.
You know, tastes like a je ne sais quoi.
Refreshing. So good. I haven't had one in forever. What do you rate it? Ooh.
Which one you want first? You want Zazu or you want Raja?
Guys, we caught Zazu. Actually, we picked him up from Scar's cave, and you know, we just chopped him up, skinned him, cooked him up.
But we sang him a song first. What song did we sing him?
5, 6, 7, 8. I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. Seriously, we're gonna try the chicken first. Or you try it first.
No, you try first.
He's gonna try it first because he's never had it. So.
Actually pretty good.
Good, huh?
A little sweet. It's not bad. You take a bite of this one first since you never had it.
Guys.
She doesn't know how to clean her palate before she
Guys, he's never been a Bengal barbecue. Never had a mint julep. Never been a Bengal barbecue. I don't know what to tell you anymore.
But I've held a pass long and unheard, that's for sure.
I don't know what he said, but we're just gonna ignore him. I don't want to get dirty.
Oh my, ooh. You like this one more or you like that one? You like this one more, huh? Let me give it a little nibble.
A little nibble, take the whole thing.
Now listen here, if you've never had tiger, I suggest you go out and try some. Because Raja is smacking right now.
I like how I'm wearing my Jasmine sweater.
As we're eating her pet.
As we're eating her pet. Actually, my favorite land animal is the tiger.
What kind?
So I would, Bengal tiger. I'm basic, I know.
Raja's not a Bengal tiger.
But he is. Yes, he is. Anywho, please protect tigers because they're endangered. No, like jokes aside, like I'm so serious. Same thing with sharks. Guys, they look scary, but leave them alone. So what would you rate out of 5?
Zazu was a...
The chicken.
I'll give him like a 3.5 star.
And Raja, aka the beef.
Raja I give like a 8.8. Oh, we're out of 5. Like a 4.5.
We're probably gonna go on Indiana Jones next. So.
Roll around this real quick.
Now we're in line to get some spicy pickles. I don't know about you, but I'm a huge pickle fan. We're both huge pickle fans, but I'm like obsessed with a pickle. Like for my birthday, you could give me a jar of pickles and I think I'll be okay. Got my pickle.
She got a pickle. She got 2 pickles.
Guys, this pickle's extra sour and salty, so.
Damn. Hey, who the fuck is y'all? Oh my god.
We just left the park pretty early, so you have to go home and pack, blah, 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 blah. But we got some mystery pins, and I'm gonna open them up for you. So, we got a Coco one. Let's see. First Coco pin. Who do we get? We got Hector!
Hector!
Slay.
Do the little quote.
Hector! Hector! That's literally Miguel for like the whole movie. Ah! Yeah. Mama Imelda!
Oh,
I love her, guys. We got Hector and Mama Imelda. It is so cute. Look. So the first pin, these are, they're like
Disney pets.
Disney pets. I don't hate him. I just don't care for him. Cool, excited. I just did not want the Siamese cats from freaking Lady and the Tramp because I hate them.
Can I get a little peek?
Sure. So he's gonna get a little peek. Oh my god, am I gonna like it?
Maybe.
Okay. We got Figaro. I wanted him so bad.
Sing me a little Figaro song.
Do it again.
Figaro.
Jesus. Oh my gosh. Success, if I do say so myself. Giveaway, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, tag a friend on my Instagram who your favorite aristocrat is.
This ain't no giveaway.
Giveaway, because I kind of don't want this one.
No, this is no giveaway. We're gonna be reselling this. Super rare, limited edition. You guys can't see it because of the glare. We'll start the bid at like $20. You guys start sending money. Yeah, anyways. So we're gonna go pack and we'll see you on the next vlog then, I guess, huh?
Hey guys, so I just got out of the nail salon. I came to Starbucks, got me a little refresher. I was gonna get a pink drink, but they didn't have coconut milk, so it is what it is. These are the nails now. Very, very simple. Here's the thing, I was gonna get chrome on them because they're kind of like very natural, very milky like. I was gonna get white chrome on them, but it turns out last minute they didn't have any white chrome. Honestly, I like them. I like simple natural nails. I never go for bold colors. I never go for colors in general, honestly. I just really needed a fill. I really needed to get them done. Yeah, these are the nails. I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for joining us on my first trip to Goofy's Kitchen. It was honestly so much fun. And on our little short trip to Disneyland. Hope you enjoyed me and Johnny's foolishness. And I'll see you later. Bye.